Alrighty, gals and guys, I've got a little video for y'all today. This is kind of a crafting video. It's not really a how-to or a tutorial. I just kind of showing you what I did, giving you some ideas, something you might want to try if you got one of these handy little canvas grocery bags. And for this video, I'm using some paint pens that I purchased at Walmart and these little skulls that I got from the Dollar Tree. I just really love these things, and I saw a lot of potential in them when I saw them there. So I'm just going to trace those with the paint pen, and then we're going to do some little handy dandy painting here. I'm going to take my paint pen and fill in those dark areas and make some little teeth for my skulls, and then I'm going to use acrylic paints to paint the rest of the inside of the skull, and you'll see that in just a moment. And unfortunately, you guys are going to see a lot of my big old noggin in this video. I tried a different camera angle, and I apologize for that, but that's another reason I didn't call this a tutorial, because it's kind of hard to see at times. But I just wanted you guys to see how this turned out, how it came about. I'm using gold paint here just because I really like that effect. I like that look. And once I've got this gold paint on there, I dry each layer of this with the hair dryer, and I didn't think I needed to do that on camera, but I'm just going to let you guys know that. Once I've done this gold layer, what I actually did was went in and painted a coat of glitter paint on top of this, and then I started decorating with some paint pens, some puff paints, and just kind of did my own design. I didn't look at anything online with sugar skulls. I wanted it to be my own unique creation, and that's what makes things like this fun. So anyway, that's it, and you can see there's more of my big old head in the way instead of you seeing me painting. So and I just have a super duper large collection of little flowers and things like that. So I decided to use some of these kind of maroon colored or really dark red roses to complement my sugar skulls, and also to cover up that little mistake where the paint slipped out. So I stitched these on and used a little bit of fabric glue just to make sure they stayed in place. And now I'm going to pencil draw in some designs, and then use my paint pens and puff paints and things to fill in these pencil drawn design. The only thing left that I'll need to do once I'm done with this project, and I won't do that on camera because I just did a bag video like this in my last video, is I'm going to add a lining to this bag. And there you have it. There is my sugar skull bag. Peace, y'all. Bye-bye.